I'm not proud of it, but there you can see my little baby Stevie, my little princess, and her handiwork. Okay, Bissell little green machine, let's see you do your thing. I'm going in. Wish me luck. I believe I have to spray from the nozzle before I start scrubbing. Let's give it a try. Okay, I'm sorry, I had to stop for a second. Did you just see that? Did you just see how there was a huge dark stain from my dog and how like that this picked it up? I'm not joking. This is not a promoted post. This is the first time I'm using it and I am blown away. It wasn't a fluke. That disgusting water is what came up out of the carpet. It's gross, but there is something just so oddly satisfying about knowing that that was in the carpet and it's now in the Bissell. I'm off to do the bedroom. Another really good part of it, super light.